Brian and Meg Puccinelli want to find a house with more square footage and a bigger lot. After 3 years in their current house, the couple is eager to find a more long-term home for their family.
I think we're looking for in this new home something that that we can grow with, and somewhere that you know, Brian and I can feel comfortable raising our 2 children into, you know, high school age and into college.
One of the features the Puccinellis enjoy is the floor plan of their house.
This house we really like, I think, because of the layout. It's a really nice layout. All the bedrooms are upstairs. It has a family room off of the kitchen, off of the kitchenette, where you can eat breakfast or dinner and then, you know, be here in the family room. And then the yard's right off of the family room.
I was raised with a huge yard. My wife was raised with a huge yard, and I always remember that as a kid. So we kind of like to offer that to our kids. Do you guys want, Hailey, want sandwiches? Your favorite, turkey?
That sounds great, huh?
All right.
More room in the kitchen would also help this family.
Big kitchen, big yard, pool, ranch style.
We're not asking for too much, are we?
Sky's the limit.
A majority of the Puccinellis' time is spent in their family room, kitchen, and patio, while the living room and dining room are rarely used. In their new home, they'd like more usable, casual space, the kind of home they both grew up in. Brian and Meg are also looking to improve upon their workspace at home. Right now, Brian's desk is in the guest room, and Meg works out of the master bedroom. The last thing on Meg and Brian's list is finding a move-in ready home. But with lots of older homes on the market, finding one in good condition may be a challenge. Helping the Puccinellis find the ideal home are their good friends and seasoned realtors Roxanne and Bruce Ellison. Already the Ellisons know the Puccinellis' search for a move-in ready home will be a tough one. Knowing that the Puccinellis want a home that's in move-in condition, realtors Bruce and Roxanne Ellison head out with the couple to show them what's on the market that fits the bill.
Hello. You guys are gonna love this house. It's got everything you were looking for. Everything's been redone.
Yes.
Isn't it great?
Yeah, it's great.
It is.
It's done down to the baseboards. There isn't a thing you have to do to this home.
Wouldn't have to do a thing to it. That's nice.
Nope, move
That's
in,
a
put your feet up.
definite bonus.
Isn't this a great kitchen, Meg?
Oh, so pretty. Very open.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
And these
It's
granite
really-
counters are really nice.
It's a nice feel, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a beautiful focal point.
I like this built-in bench too. Be great for the girls, Brian.
It'd be great.
Well, you know when you have parties, everybody's in your kitchen anyway.
Right.
You might as well have all this seating in here with this and the extra bar seating there. Amazing stove.
That's,
For our chef.
that's a gourmet stove there. I definitely
That'd
use
take care
that.
of it.
Definitely take care of that.
Absolutely.
Masterpieces on that. That'd be good. This is nice. Yeah, very nice. They've done a good job.
Yeah, and over here we've got the 2 kids' rooms.
Great. We need those. Oh my gosh, how cute!
Isn't that cute?
Very cute.
Now,
Oh,
let's
that
this
is
master.
great.
Wait till you see
Oh, I love that room though. So cute for the
That's
girls.
nice.
Let's check out this master, guys. It's
Oh,
got its
wow.
own built-in office.
Oh, I
Oh,
like
that's nice.
it. A lot of storage space.
Yeah, you could work right there.
Pay the bills right there.
Yeah, unfortunately,
And
pay the
a
bills.
great master.
Oh my gosh, it's huge. Oh, I really like this room. I like the high ceilings.
And the area for the large screen TV. That's
Yeah,
nice.
because we have a large screen TV,
That'd be
so
perfect.
and the mirrored closets.
Then we got a
She's done-
master bath over here that's really been nicely redone.
Okay. Oh, it is pretty. I really
Isn't
like
that a
it.
beautiful master bath, Meg?
Oh, it is.
That's nice. It's
Has the
very
window
open.
going out to the garden, and then the high ceilings.
They did a great job on that.
I really
Nice.
like it.
That's nice. Let's go look at the yard.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a great. Yeah, I'd like to see the yard.
This home lacks a 4th bedroom that could be used as Meg and Brian's home office. But if the backyard is something special, they may overlook that flaw.
Oh, what a great yard! The landscape is wonderful.
Isn't it great trees?
Oh yeah, the climbing roses. It's very pretty.
And the lawn's nice for kids, but we definitely like to get a pool. It's definitely something we want to get.
Okay, well,
This place is move-in ready, but without a pool and the needed extra bedroom for an office, the group decides to move on.
Chop chop.
The 8th house on their list has also been updated and beautifully remodeled. It has a southwestern feel both inside and out, which Roxanne thinks will appeal to Meg and Brian.
Oh, what a wonderful entrance. Look at this granite, Brian.
Wow, that is
Isn't that
pretty.
pretty?
That is.
Yeah, and against the wood.
The wood floors look great.
And the wood trim.
Oh, yeah.
Goes through the
nice
whole house.
accent.
Got a lot
All
of
in the
detail in
house?
the house.
This has a beautiful, spacious living room with a couple of different entertaining areas right in the same room.
I like it. It's very open.
Yeah,
Isn't
it's
it
big.
pretty?
It really is.
Very light. Very nice.
And our furniture would look good in here.
I think you're really gonna like this.
Well, another great kitchen for Brian to cook in.
Absolutely.
Wow.
We
this
all
is,
like
this is real functional,
Wow.
Brian. With the island like this,
Oh, yeah, that's
and we
nice.
have
I do like that.
we have the vegetable sink here. There's even a garbage disposal in the vegetable sink. Yeah, the island's real
Isn't that
functional.
great?
By having the island out here, you can do prep work and do chopping over here and clean up over there at the same time.
Wow, that's nice.
We have always wanted island. You know, I noticed though, it has the dining room off of the kitchen versus a family room. And we use the family room.
The family
a
room's
lot.
real important.
Just
Having
because with the
together.
two girls and just kind of having that command central.
We basically live there.
Really?
Yeah.
Well,
So
just
you
with
need
the
a family
two-
room. That's
Yeah,
important.
it'd be kind of nice if the two went together somehow.
All right, well, let me show you the
Afloat.
children's wing,
Okay.
because it is separated.
All right.
Okay.
All right. Oh, another little room over
And
here.
another bedroom, and it's good size, so I thought maybe we would consider sharing a bedroom with the girls and keeping the office for Brian.
Oh, I don't think that'll work with our
No?
kids.
No, they're
Not
on
ready.
different. Yeah, they're on different schedules.
Okay,
We definitely we need another bedroom.
all right.
So that means we're shy of bedroom again.
Yeah, but we have a pool,
Let's lease
Okay.
to the pool.
so let's look at that.
Okay.
Wonderful patio living here,
Wow, that's nice. It's a nice
Oh,
pool.
how great would this be for the girls?
isn't
Yeah.
it?
Yeah, they do.
Oh, this is wonderful.
Still a nice lawn area.
Oh yeah.
But without a fourth bedroom or a family room off the kitchen, the pool does little for them.
But I still think we're gonna have a problem with that fourth bedroom. Just because we work out of the house, and I think.
Well, that's true. I mean, we use it as an office.
Yeah, so we're kind of looking at finding a bigger house then.
I mean, if we could find a house like this with the extra bedroom would be nice.
We'll
But
do it.
All right,
Okay.
keep looking.
let's keep
All
looking.
right.
As their wants and needs grow, the number of move-in ready houses on the market shrinks.
Now this house is different than the ones that we've been looking at. This one's not fixed up. This one is a fixer, and I think it's got a lot of the things that you guys were looking for. Hello? Nobody's here. Come on in.
Wow. Oh my. This is great.
This is the floor plan like you guys were asking about too, with the master suite over here, the kids' bedrooms down here, and then this big open living area.
I really like it. It's a great fireplace. Oh, this is very nice.
It's got a great backyard with
Oh,
a
wow.
super pool.
Oh, this is fabulous. This is going to be wonderful for entertaining. So pretty. Oh gosh, I don't know about that.
Well,
That's
the paneling does date it. It absolutely
Yeah.
does.
Now this needs some work, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, if you guys decide on this house, we could come in here, we could take out the tile. In fact, I like the basic layout. I love the two sinks. I think that's perfect for the kids.
Oh, absolutely. For both Hannah and Hailey, that would be great. Yeah.
Let's go look at one of the bedrooms. Now this would be the third extra bedroom for the kids.
Okay, I can picture this. Bed over there, desk over here. This would be a nice little room. Nice little room for one of the girls. I could see this working.
I think this is real workable.
Okay.
Okay.
Can we?
So workable, in fact, that Meg decides Brian should see this house right away.
Okay, Brian, you have to trust me on this. It really is pretty on the outside, and it's the inside that you're just going to have to use your imagination and close your eyes and
like
just dream of how it could be.
We can customize this and make this exactly what you guys are looking for.
But the outside looks like it's in pretty good shape.
The outside's pretty nice. The roof looks like it's pretty new. Hello? No, it looks like they're gone. Come on in.
Okay. Brian, I think you're really going to like this house. I think it's really what we've been looking for.
This is what you've been looking for, that open, airy ranch house.
Wow, it's nice and open. And the fireplace is spectacular. That's really nice.
The floor plan, I think, is something we can really work with. Come on, let me show you around.
There's some things with each room that need upgrading to, but I think that overall it's a good feel.
Yeah, I think the floor plan is really going to be usable.
And Brian, this is your room. I think there's a lot we can do here. I really do. I think if we lose this cupboard and knock out this wall add some granite, some new appliances. It's going to be a beautiful room for you to cook and really enjoy. And gosh, Command Central, it's right out there. I mean, perfect for entertaining with the pool there.
Yeah, she says you're quite the gourmet cook.
Yeah, I love to cook. It's therapy for me, and this looks like it'd be the perfect place.
Yeah, with this open.
Quickly, Brian is starting to see the potential of each room.
Great. Well, let's see the rest of the house.
All right, come on.
Bruce, I really like the flow so far of the house.
Yeah, it's really nice having the master bedroom over in this wing, away from the children's wing. So, especially when they get a little bit older.
It looks nice overlooking
Did I
the
tell
pool
you
as well.
you'd like it?
Yeah, I do. Except it seems a little dark still
Well,
here.
that's that wood thing again.
Okay.
We do need to get rid of the wood. Look over here. We've got a nice big office off the master too.
Okay, and we could open that up as well, possibly with either painting it or removing the wood.
Yeah, the changes in this office will really be pretty easy. Now this is the master bath over here. It's good size.
It's a very nice size.
Just
Yeah.
needs work again.
Lots of options, lots of things we can do. A little granite, some new appliance or some new fixtures, and it'll become your type of bathroom, I'm sure.
More our style.
Absolutely. Now come on, I want to show you guys the pool. You're going to love the pool. Check this out, Brian.
Wow, that pool is huge.
What do you think? Do you love it?
Absolutely
Isn't it
gorgeous.
wonderful?
I can see the kids playing in the pool 24
Oh.
hours a day.
We're never going to have to leave our house.
That's very nice.
And all the rooms are accessible.
And it's nice on the
from
bedroom.
here.
I like it coming off the bedroom. I've always kind of wanted that.
Come on over, let me show you the orchard.
Complete with fruit trees, this house seems to be a perfect match for Brian and Meg. Bruce leaves them to decide whether they want to invest the extra time and money it'll require to update it to their standards.
Well, I think we should go through exactly what we're looking for and see if this house has it. I mean, it's got the 4 bedrooms. It's got the big kitchen.
Big kitchen, which is a must.
It's a must.
For you especially. It's got the one level, the ranch style. I just think it's beautiful.
And the pool, which I really wanted, is nice. I think at this point we should go for it and
Want to make an offer?
make an offer. 'Cause I think it's got everything we need and want.
Although the home needs updating, they decided to make an offer with plans of remodeling if they got the house. Just over 1 month after they closed on their new house, the Puccinellis have settled in nicely. They wasted no time in fixing up their fixer-upper, and after an extensive remodel, the home is theirs completely.
We like the flow of the house, but all the wood really took away from it. That was the first thing we wanted to do, is take away all the dark wood paneling, and then hardwood floors was probably number 2 on the list that we for sure were going to do, because the flooring was terrible. It was dark and it was,
Yeah, it was just
outdated.
old. And then the third thing was definitely the kitchen, because we spent a lot of time there, and it wasn't in the best of shape either. So those were the 3.
Top 3.
Yeah, the top 3 when we came in here.
And
of course,
then-
that changed.
Then we started adding, as we went along, bathrooms, and one thing led to another, but we're glad we got it all done.
Hannah and Hailey are also pleased with the new house, especially the backyard.
This is like Candyland for them. They have been so happy. It's just amazing the difference when we come home, when I come home from work and we're in the house.
They have the free-for-all in the backyard, and they just love it. They have their bikes, they can ride their bikes, they can go play in the little orchard area, so it's really fun. Hey girls, there's popcorn!
Okay guys, let's go in.
Happy to find the home of their dreams, Brian and Meg are even happier to have successfully made it their own.
I think when we finished this house, when we walked into this house after we did all the decorating, we picked out the floors, we definitely, when we walked in here, we go, this is us. We took a piece of our previous home and we brought it into this area. The furniture fits perfectly, a lot of the furniture fits perfectly, the art fits, the style, the colors, the doors.
Actually better in some
Everything.
aspects.
And we were able to take an older house that was totally different, totally not us, and transform it into a piece of us.
That we're really comfortable in.
Yeah, so we're pleased.